I wanted to hop on and share one of my go-tos from Carson Delisa. This is a PDF workbook that I picked up under $10. It has 128 pages on it, and it's to help with our kindergartner learning his sight words. So as you can see, the front of the book, the first couple pages, this page right here has the 100-word list of the sight words. I think it's ranging from kindergarten to first grade, just some of the sight words between kindergarten, pre-K, and first grade. And so you see here the kids can trace the word and then they can write it by themselves. And it's like that on every page where the child can trace it, write it by themselves, do some practice writing of the words. And here, as you go on and you get into the workbook, you see they have a page with 4 of the sight words where the child can trace each sight word and then read the word in a sentence. I absolutely love that. I like that it's made like that. So it just helps to reinforce my child learning his sight words that we go over on a daily basis anyway. And this came as a PDF, like I said. You have over 4 years to be able to print. There's no limit on the printing. It's like, it shows days, and when I did it math, it's like over 4 years that you have that you can constantly print this as many times as you need. I printed it out. I put holes in it and I put it in a binder. It just made it easier for us. And it's my go-to, like if I'm ready to have my son do some table work and do some practice writing, I can have him sit down with his binder and get his work done. CarsonDellosa has always been my go-to since I've been homeschooling. I absolutely love the resources that they have. You cannot, go wrong getting your workbooks from them and any other needs that you may have, homeschool related. If you're helping your child that's in school, it just comes in handy. Check them out. I absolutely love them. This workbook was under $10, and I have countless amount of downloads that I can go back in and download. If I want to reinforce one of the words, 2 of the words, I can just keep on printing them, keep on using them, and keep on working.